Time to think about seeds. Hello, everybody. Welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So I'm here at Home Depot, and I just want to show you what they have over here. And these are some of the tips that you can get from their display over here. There's a seed starting sign over here that says, what should I direct sow? And it gives you some of the things that you can direct sow. It says carrots, beets, turnips, and other root crops prefer direct sow so that the roots are undisturbed. Fast-growing plants like radish and lettuce mature in 40 to 60 days. If you live in a warmer climate and plant early outdoors, the longer growing season will give you time to grow a second round of crops, which is great if you live in warmer areas. And down here it says, what should I start indoors? Plants with slow growing roots like peppers, eggplants, celeries should start it indoors. Tender plants and those that have a maturity date over 90 days will benefit from a head start. And down here it says, if you live in a cooler climate, start your seeds indoors, extend the growing season. And that's what we most of us try to do, is try to start our seeds indoors, and so that way by the time it's time for us to plant outside, we have a little bit more mature seedlings and it thrives. So I'm here at Home Depot, and I just wanted to show you guys what they have. They have seeds out already. I know some people have already started. Some people are going to start this January. Some people are going to start February. But depending on what you're going to grow, like you just saw on the sign, depending on what you're going to grow, you want to make sure that you start early, and so that you can get much more production out of your garden this year. So what I usually do is I usually start seeds like peppers and eggplants around January, February, so that way by the spring, when we transplant them outside, they are really much mature, and they are much better, and they grow much faster when the temperature warms up and when we transplant them into the greenhouse or into the garden. So they have a huge selection of seeds over here at Home Depot, and on the top they have some seed starting stuff and other seeds, but they have flower seeds and vegetable seeds and a huge selection here. And the best time to get your seeds, if you want to get the right variety that you need, is you want to get it early. You want to get it as soon as possible, because people are going to jump out and start getting the seeds. And if you're looking for a special seed that's they don't have a good quantity, or don't have a lot of that particular variety, you want to make sure that you look for it early enough so that you're guaranteed to get your seeds, so that way you're not running around looking for those seeds later on when the seed starting time starts, or springtime, when everybody is buying seeds to start their garden. So make sure that you if you're looking for seeds, grab your seeds early, so that way you're able to get all the seeds that you need, and you start the time that you want. Don't depend on anybody, because if you don't start your seeds, or you don't have your seeds, then you're gonna have to look for it, either order it online through catalogs or in the stores like this. So definitely time to start thinking about it, and depending on particular things you're gonna plant in your garden this year. So here they have some seed starting supplies below there. Like I said, they have a huge selection of seeds. Most of the seeds, another way to get free seeds is you can get the seeds from last season. Usually I try to save as much as possible from the previous year, so that way I don't have to buy seeds, or don't have to buy a lot of seeds. So that's a way you can save money from getting seeds, by saving your own seeds, or joining a club, or joining a Facebook group that shares seeds, and you're able to get good seeds, and you're able to share your seeds with other people. So definitely check out those. I also have a couple of videos that shows you various ways to get seeds or save seeds, and various seed starting techniques and seed starting processes and tips that I have a couple of videos. So check out my channel at 7 Savings Garden. So down here they have most of the herbs. They have herbs, and they have, you can see, carrots, watermelon. On this side, radish. So like I said, they have a good selection of stuff. So check out some of them. On this side is non-organic, but on the other side, I'll show you in a minute, they have organic ones too. So it all depends on what type of seeds you're looking for, and if you like organic, or you just like just regular any seeds and you don't care about whether it's organic or not organic. But here are some of the seeds that they have, and like I said, there's a huge selection, and huge selection is good right now. On this side over here, here's the organic stuff that they have. Usually organic is a little bit more expensive than the regular stuff, but the selection over here is not too bad. They have some good selection of organic stuff, organic seeds over here. So definitely, if you're somebody that looks for organic or wants organic stuff, then you better hurry and look for your seeds early, because once they run out, you won't be able to get the organic seeds. Also, I'll put a link in the description. I have a few catalogs and a few sites that I get some good seeds from. I'll see if I can put a link in the description. So if you're interested in looking for seeds, I'll see it. And just to let you know, you can also ask your friends and family if they have particular seeds that you're looking for, and you're able to get seeds that way. They also have some seed starting supplies over here. You have seed trays, seedling trays. They have heat mats. They have seed starting mix. They have growth hormone stuff, and they have a huge selection of trays that you can try. So definitely check it out and see. Also see if I can put a link below for some of the great stuff that they have out there for the if you want to buy them online. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel out, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified of any upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Happy growing, happy new year everybody, and stay safe.